Hey guys, ScooterATVSales.com at Scooter City ATV Wholesale Outlet. Service and repair. We do have a customer's 49cc 1.8 brake horsepower Mission scooter. It's part of the MT5 QT13 family from the Rocchetta. It is here for service for a full tune-up and a complete gone through. As you can see, we have the bucket pulled out. Usually the seat is on top here with the bucket area. You do have to pull that and remove that out to actually get access to the top of the engine area, the head, jug, as well as the carburation. You see it has the electric choke. Carburetor here, 49cc. This is the battery area, 12-volt system, 2-3 amp. We are going to do the process of the oil change. Checking the oil. Dipstick would be on the right rear side, right near the muffler pipe. And the oil drain would be right here, where my finger is pointed at. The tires are the either 3.0-10 or the 3.5-10 size tires and wheels. We're on the crankcase cover side. This is your airbox assembly. A lot of folks will remove this, get a little bit more free flow, a little bit better mileage by removing this airbox and installing a uni filter on the directly on the carburetor. Crankcase cover. This is your manual kickstart. Crankcase should always be serviced. It is part of a new vehicle break-in service, by the way. Any new vehicle, new scooter being purchased, this area has to be removed, the crankcase cover. Clutch and roller variator area needs to be serviced, definitely. You have your gearbox here in the back. This is your drain for your gearbox right here, and this is your fill area right here. So this is a gearbox, so that needs to be changed as well. More, not as frequently as the engine oil, but definitely frequently. So we recommend usually here every third engine oil to keep for optimum performance. It is on its full stand, and it does have the kickstand. Again, battery is located on the floorboard. You do have an open tray. This vehicle by Mission is almost identical to the ATM 50 by Tao. Engine system, just overall dimensions, chassis. So we do service all China brands and more. Come down and check us out. We're at 920 Matley Lane, number 6 in Reno. Number here is 775-856-3398. Or just shop us online for sales at ScooterATVSales.com, where you can shop on our full inventory. We do not carry all our inventory here in the Reno store, so you can shop online as well. And you can come in the store and order that in the store, and we can have it here within a week, fully turnkey, ready to go for